With the TAMRON Lens Utility and the newest lens models, you can easily activate a very useful function. It's called A/B focus and is useful in various situations, not only for stills, but also for video shooting. In the result, you can easily switch between two focus positions without any need of camera autofocus system. You can shift the focus back and forth between two preset functions that have been recorded beforehand. For example, when shooting video, you can change the focus position within the frame at a designated speed to create a really powerful visual transition. I'm going to explain how to set the A/B focus and its actual use in the field. You first need to connect your lens via USB to your computer. Then, start the TAMRON Lens Utility on your computer and click on the option to customize the function of your lens. On the Custom Switch or Focus Set button screen, click Select. From the selection screen, click Select for A/B focus. Choose the focus speed in the A/B focus dialog. And for the first time, select 0 and click Save. Now you're ready to disconnect the lens computer connection, and after that, let's remove the lens. Click at the upper right corner of the TAMRON Lens Utility to remove the lens. A dialog will pop up and you need to confirm your action. So now we're ready to shoot. Focus on a desired area, either with the focus ring or with the temporary autofocus function of your camera. Now, hold the focus set button for more than 1 second, and after that, the A point has been stored. Now focus onto your desired second position. Also hold the focus set button for more than 1 second to store this position as B. After setting the focus point A and B, every time you press the focus set button, the focus point will shift between A and B. Oh, and by the way, even when the camera mode is set as manual focus, the focus point shifts by pressing the focus set button. To reset the focus point, start this process over to set the focus point from A. When the camera is in autofocus mode, after setting the focus point A and B, when we press the focus set button, the camera is automatically changed to manual focus. This is to avoid the focus point moving out of the registered point. In order to set the camera mode back to autofocus, hold the focus set button for just more than 1 second. To reset the focus point from A and B, start over the process to set the focus point A. I hope I was able to give you a good insight into how the TAMRON Lens Utility works and what possibilities it opens up for every photographer. Thank you very much for your attention.